Replace your worn-out wiper blades and save. Stop by your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store today or shop online at O'ReillyAuto.com.
Hi everybody, it's Christy. We all know Champion Windows for their quality windows.
What'd you expect out of Lowe's?
Meta is building an AI version of Mark Zuckerberg designed to engage with employees.
Oh! Jesus!
Oh shit.
Eating is the size of like a grapefruit. And it's like, yeah, that's very obviously supposed to be fantastic.
You shouldn't get in between them.
Yeah,
Pull further away. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Go get him! Go get him! Go get him! Go get him! Absolutely love this. Yeah.
grumpy, too tired. Take me home. Country roads. It's okay, Dad. Just come up to my room and talk to me.
Oh, what happened? Oh, why did that guy run the red light? Did you see that?
That was so stupid.
Why did he do that?
That was so dumb.
Was he just not thinking? What the heck? Unbelievable. What was he doing?
I saw the look on the guy's face. He knew.
I think he was just treating it as a stop sign or something. He was just, oh man.
Literally was zoned out. You know what I mean? Oh my God, did you just see that? He went to pass that guy and then these cars were there. Oh my God. That's crazy. Go get him, Pap. Fuck yeah, go get him. Be an asshole. See? Now he's not gonna get there. He needs to be on time. Put your way there. Go get him. Be my little thing. Oh, over here. Wait, wait, you. Okay, oh. Yes, we have dick hole. Come on. That's funny.
Hey, so you're not answering. Are you back in town just hanging out, or?
We're on our way back.
Okay, I just need to know if I had to go get Tyler at 4 o'clock or if you were gonna go get it.
I'm gonna need you to go get him.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, later, dear.
Bye. Oh, I just totally put on what's his crash. Hey, where's the big engine? Okay, so that's where we're going. I'd be surprised if you didn't pull over that car. You're right, that's bad. Where'd you go? Turn. Did they turn out? Did you catch him yet? Oh, there he goes. There he is. You dick. That's what you got, karma. I have a dash cam. I could maybe. Yeah, it's a who? What'd you say? Karma cop. Oh. 21 miles to the gallon. Oh, he's gonna go get him. Yep.
He just went to the turnout lane and just went straight over. I told him to go get him. See, I told you he was worried about that car in front of him. I know it. He probably didn't even see that.
You know why I got him? Got no lights.
What's the light? The back.
Yeah, I guess I'm in the basket from Temple. I guess I'm from Amazon to put the same thing with me. I get from Amazon. Yeah, the ones that I get from Amazon, it's $16 and some.
What the fuck?
Oh my God.
He reversing. See before he drive away the snappy picture. He not gonna drive away. What the fuck? He not looking back?
Come on, man.
Come on, you gotta
Come
look
on.
back.
Why you reversing?
You're
Why you
reversing in a
reversing? Why
one-way
you reversing?
street.
Why you reversing? I'm not.
This man stop.
This guy stopped.
No, me do nothing.
Jesus Christ. But he just called the policeman. You see that? So me come in the car just shut the fuck up now. Nobody can hear me. He was far from him. He was far from him. This man was stuck far.
But he's wrong. He is wrong.
Are you seeing this behind you? What is behind you? Behind you. It's not first.
No, but if you get a camera, you can run it.
No, it's stop.
You just stop and walk back like you don't give a fuck. You know,
Oh yes, the thing I see thing flick up. Exactly. Yeah. Don't go to I don't know what. I don't know.
Yeah, I like to know $500.
Hmm? Yeah, I'm back.
Hello? Hello?
Where is the other car?
KHA 6390.
Okay, and what kind of car is that?
Escalade.
What's your last name, sir?
I'm sorry?
What is your last name?
Levy, L-E-V-I.
And the phone number you're calling from?
646-286-7416.
So 646-286-7416.
Right.
Alright, so this will be provided as soon as possible on operator 1330.
Okay, is gonna police come in here?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.